sorry. I'm sorry. What's going on today, guys? We are up and moving today. Up and moving. Last night was the truck meet. Craziest truck meet I feel like I've ever been to in my life, you know, short of Daytona truck meet. If you guys have not seen that video, you need to go see that video. Stop watching this video and go watch that video. But I'm up early today, I'm moving. It's about 9 o'clock and we're going to Bojangles, you know, trying to start the day off right. Look, here we are up at the Bojangles, running through the drive-thru real quick. I'm getting some food and then we're going to the tent shop early this morning. Well, I say early, it's almost 10 o'clock already, but we on the move today. Stuff coming with the, obviously you guys can tell by the title and the thumbnail, it's Tahoe day. You know, we're working on the Tahoe. We're trying to get those fog lights working, but I need to make some stops, talk to some people for a minute, and then we headed home. We're gonna get some editing done, and we're gonna get working on this Tahoe. So y'all need to, y'all need to, wherever you're at right now watching this video, keep doing that. Thank you. I got all the way through the drive-thru at Bojangles and realized that I left my freaking wallet at home. So no Bojangles for me today. Starting the day off fantastic. Hello. Here we go. My boy Zach's got some new drift wheels over here. So we got some black ones and some black and gold ones and some white ones. Those look like they have definitely seen some road time. Over here at the tent shop, we got some
let's get this bread.
we got some vinyl over here. Rashad of All In Cars, custom vinyl wrapping. Got some stuff going on over here. New trailer, I think that they're picking up soon, and then all of his cars. You guys know the cars. And then the man himself, Cody, working on a BMW B6 Alpine something, I guess. Not too bad. If you guys haven't been over to the tent shop and you guys are local in this area, prices are absolutely unbeatable and they do an awesome job. All custom cuts, so if you guys need some window tinting, make sure to hit my guys up. And they got a nice little waiting area that they're working on too. It's actually turning out pretty good, and that couch is pretty comfy. So if you come and take a picture with that couch, I'll give you a shout out. Where's everybody at? Some of you may remember Alex is moving out of this space here and moving into this one. Or actually he's already kind of moved in. We're just about finished up. Big nice area back here. Looking good. Before we jump into the Tahoe content today, the Blue Angels and the Thunderbirds are flying over Atlanta today, and they're leaving out of Dobbins Air Force Base, which is right around the corner from the house. We are actually sitting at the end of the runway right now. So this is the end of the runway, and we're in the middle of the road. There's a bunch of people at the gas station over here, a bunch of people at the gas station over here, like the whole gas station's covered in cars. That one's covered in cars, people parking on the side of the road. And we started the trend. We're actually in the middle of the road right now. There's a lane on this side and a lane on this side, and then just, you know, this kind of open space, and we got a front row spot, so I'm pretty excited. Zach and Cody just got their other car running. Y'all have seen the black car, but y'all don't really get to see this one run too much. They just got this one back running, so. He said, bye-bye.
Shit falls off these cars all the time.
Hey, you want to see Christina try burnout?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh my god, I just got nervous.
see shit falling out the car, shit falling off the car.
So Christina's never tried a burnout before, and we've never actually tried to do anything like that in the Tahoe. And I'm being honest, even the times that I've driven it to work, I've never actually tried to do it even without her knowing. So she's gonna try it out today. She's really nervous, but first Tahoe burnout. So if y'all remember back from probably a week or two ago, these are Zach's burnout marks here that he did. But Christina's gonna try a burnout. She's not gonna do a huge one, but this is her first time. The Challenger she had previously could not do a burnout with a little V6 with some big old 22s on it, so they were probably too heavy to do a burnout. But this I know 100%. This Tahoe can roast these tires off of here. So this should be pretty interesting to see her do. And I know her hands were shaking and everything. It was pretty funny. So I'm pretty excited to see this. You have any words before you start? Let's get this bread, I like it. She said, let's get this bread. You're not. Her back tires are gripping too much, that's what it is. Put it back in drive and try it. Traction control was on. It was about to.
That's weird. You can't do a burnout.
No burnouts in the Tahoe.
See, I told you.
I am not happy. There's no reason why this truck should not be able to rip a fat burnout. And we're gonna figure out why. Maybe not today, but this truck will do a burnout. Mark my words. I wish I had my truck now.
All right, Cody, first burnout. Look at this boy. Ready?
You hit my car, I killed you!
Hey! How's it going?
But as soon as I see some of that, everybody good?
Have a good night.
So 2 truck meets, 2 nights in a row. It's a new record.
Oh, great.
We have witnesses. Your boy stepped out 2 nights in a row. He witness. Hello. The cops just came, told us that we're allowed to be here again.
Did you get your chocolate milk today though?
I did not, and that's probably why I'm like real tired and everything, and no 5-hour energy, no chocolate milk. I tried to get Bojangles this morning at the beginning of this video. I got into the line at Bojangles. I was next up at the window, forgot my wallet at home. I knew today was gonna be a rough day. I knew today was gonna be a rough day. Yeah.
You don't go out.
So the cops told us as long as there's no loud music, no loud revving, we're okay. But as soon as that happens, we're gone. And homeboy in the vehicle over there said that he's gonna clap it out on the way out. So I think this meet's gonna get shut down pretty quick. But
Cameraman.
that's my dude right there. I got a box of wheat thins. This guy gets us kicked out. Who calls my bet? Look at that tip on there. Jesus.
Dual tips.
Dual tips, yeah. He fucks. Josh hit a tree last night and his bumper's gone now.
Hey, so did I.
Hey, tell them what kind of tree was it that you hit last night?
Oak.
It was an oak tree. It was an oak tree that Emma hit last night.
Come back to the house and you can see my tree that hit my truck that hit an oak tree.
It was an oak tree in the driveway that you hit, right?
Yeah.
Right. Yep.
No, he hit my truck. You hit my truck.
Dylan asked me 5 minutes ago before we left the truck meet whether or not I'd gotten my chocolate milk, and unfortunately I had to tell him no, but now I can tell him yes. So Dylan, if you're watching this, I got the chocolate milk, it's okay. Well, the first burnout did not go as we had planned, but you know, I think there's a way to get around that. I don't know what the deal was, but we're gonna make that happen. Truck meet was cool. Yeah, that was the first time I'd ever been to 2 truck meets back to back like that. It's got to be a record for me. But I'm up early this morning. We got to cut the grass and get it going. She ordered something, for those of you that are still watching, she ordered something for the Tahoe yesterday that's huge, like game changer. And I'm not gonna give you guys any hints, but you should drop some guesses below and see anybody that can guess correctly. I'll give you a shout out on Instagram. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. That wide bow tie out. Let's get this bread.
This is Fred, baby!